In today's review, we're taking a look at the EIGHTREE Wi-Fi Smart Plug. This compact and versatile device offers a range of features that make it a valuable addition to any smart home setup. Let's dive in and see what this smart plug has to offer. 5 GHz connectivity. One of the standout features of the EIGHTREE Smart Plug is its ability to connect to both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz networks. This ensures a strong and stable connection, even in crowded Wi-Fi environments. Remote control. With the Smart Life app, you can easily control your devices from anywhere. Turn appliances on or off, set timers, and create schedules with just a few taps on your smartphone. Voice control. The EIGHTREE Smart Plug is compatible with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. This means you can use your voice to control your device's hands-free, making your life even more convenient. Timers and scheduling. Automate your daily routine by setting up personalized schedules and timers for your devices. This helps you save energy and ensure appliances are turned on or off at the right times. Compact design. The EIGHTREE Smart Plug's small, round design means it won't take up much space on your outlets. Reliability and safety. The plug is ETL and FCC certified, ensuring safety and reliability. Overall impressions. The EIGHTREE Wi-Fi Smart Plug is a well-rounded device that offers a variety of features at an affordable price. Its 5 GHz connectivity, remote control capabilities, voice control compatibility, and scheduling options make it a convenient and versatile addition to any smart home. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use smart plug, the EIGHTREE is definitely worth considering.